Now there's one more very important thing that you need to do the homework. Your book gives you a formula and you're welcome to use it, but the formula is not going to stay with you unless you are a really good formula person. You have to understand that, let's just take our 0, 1, and okay, if here's z equals 0, here's z equals 1, and here's some z value right here that we don't specify. Well, let's go ahead and put IQs with these. This is 100, this is 120. Let's say this is 138.7. How are we going to find the z value for 138.7? Well, it's really not hard to do. The z value is how many standard deviations. The standard deviation is this far, that's 10. We can see that that's 1, 2, and then some. Okay? Well, we can actually take the distance from the middle out to 138.7. That's from 110 to 138.7. Might be good to indicate how we got that, although I would hope it's obvious. If we want to know how many of these are in this, what do? We divide this by this. So we divide 28.7 by 10, get 2.87. Z equals 2.87. We divide how far we are from the mean by the standard deviation, and we get how many z's we are. Because again, the standard deviation corresponds to 1z. So hopefully that makes sense to you. If not, go ahead and use the formula, but we'll keep trying to show you how this is exactly what the formula tells you to do. The formula can be handy, but it also hides the meaning, and I think most everybody is better off with a meaning than they are with a formula. And actually, you're probably better off with both the meaning and the formula, so you can make sense of the formula. Thing is, if you understand the meaning, it'll stay with you longer than the formula will. So we want to talk about the meaning before we talk about any formulas.